त्रैगुण्यविषया वेदाः त्रैगुण्यविषया वेदाः निस्त्रैगुण्यो भवार्जुन निस्त्रैगुण्यो भवार्जुन निर्द्वन्द्वो नित्यसत्त्वस्थः निर्द्वन्द्वो नित्यसत्त्वस्थः निर्योगक्षेमात्मवान् निर्योगक्षेमात्मवान्. The Lord, in order to instruct Arjuna in Karma Yoga, now advises him to be free from attachment of enjoyments and power and cultivate equanimity. Arjuna, the Vedas thus deal with the evolutes of the three gunas. Worldly enjoyments and the means of attaining such enjoyments, be thou indifferent to these enjoyments and their means, rising above pairs of opposites like pleasure and pain, etc., established in the eternal existence. Absolutely unconcerned about the fulfillment of wants and the preservation of what has been already attained, and self-controlled. Traigunya Vishayaha deals with the evolutes of three gunas. The three gunas are Sattva, Rajas and Tamas. Vedaha, the Vedas, Nistraigunyaha, indifferent to these enjoyments and their means. Bhava, be, Arjuna, O Arjuna, Nirdvandvaha, rising above the pairs of opposites such as pleasure and pain, heat and cold, etc., Nitya Sattvasthaha, established in the eternal existence, Niryoga Kshemaha, absolutely unconcerned about the fulfillment of wants and the preservation of what has already been attained, Atmavan, having a self-controlled mind. Traigunya, actually it is Traigunya Vishayaha Vedaha, Visargam disappears. After Veda also, the Visargam has disappeared because we are breaking the sentence there, we are telling the Visargam. When we say fast, we may not have to say it. Traigunya Vishaya Vedaha Nistraigunyo Bhavarjuna. Bha Mahaprana in Traigunya and Nistraigunyo, it is na, not na, na. Nirdvandvo Nityasattvasthaha tha Mahaprana Niryogakshema Atmavan.